Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Khasi Hills District ke Kong Rosata M Kurba, kala pelat Paidbah ya ke kali jong ke core electronic voting machine minta ke sengi ke khatway terik unok pra hanong ba shlong. Haba keren ke jingyalang ke balingkot na kali yang ke Kong Kurba kala batai malumalah ke bedai bat ke jingdon kam jong ke jingwan syakmat ki dong Thep vote. Halor katong ban penslor ya barok ban simbenta hagi election MP kaban long host nem arhajar arpusau. Nakaliang ka Kong Kurba kalabatai ru halor kejingdon kam banyan dan bentalang deki Paidbah hagajingnya Thep vote bat kalakin turu ya ki hinreu lak ngut tam kinong Thep vote ki baladap ban penrung kerteng banyan simbenta hagi election kaban salong. Haba penken mau ya kejingwan syakmat kinong Thep vote hagi election MLA kabadang Sudep syak prapo na kasispa ke Deputy Commissioner kalakin turu iki Paidbah bakin pendon kam yang nya ka hok Thep vote jongki hagi election Lok Sabha. Kajing temuhi haba pentrai kam ya kini ki kor EVM kalong ban pen itho ya kinong song snong kam tam ya gitu ki bedang su penrung kerteng temai. Ke Deputy Commissioner kalaya thoru baya kini ke kor EVM an sepen poi shiki benta bapher na ke benta ban pelong ya kajing pen song tho Paidbah bat kani kadang dai tangkum ke benta ban pen I nuksa ne ke sample am ke ban penlong ne ke benta ki election baraga jo ke por kala khot ru I kinong song snong ban wan shaka office trai kam ne ke benta ban persang ya ke rukom Thep vote khnang ban lat ni ki no ki jingkul mar jingmut bat jing bakla ha ke sngi ke ba penlong ya ke election.
Is to kindly extend your hands in ensuring that people come forward to familiarize themselves with the process of voting. And as they say, we should be trailblazers. We should begin with ourselves. So today, at the end of the program, we request the representatives of the political parties to also please exercise your franchise, though it is a mock vote. But it will definitely inspire young people. It will definitely inspire the inquisitive young people who have just been enrolled in the electoral rolls, that they come forward and exercise their franchise.
This is a very important exercise that we have to do. We are a very huge democratic country, and we require each one of us to participate to ensure that we have a foolproof system. And when I say about a foolproof system, we are in a day where we are using these electro voting machine, the EVMs, and here if we look back from the time when it started very early in the early 90s. The first time that we used the EVMs in our country was for the state election in Goa. I wish that all the 6 lakhs plus voters come out in the next MP election. We all know that during the recent state election, MLA election, we had a very huge turnout, which is almost 80+%. So we look forward that even in Lok Sabha 2024, I appeal to all the citizens of the state who have enrolled themselves and who have got the the names in the electoral roll to kindly come forward and use your, make your voice heard. This is very important. We have to exercise our right. We have to ensure that, we select. And this is a privilege which we should not let go.